Have you noticed? Every time the Fed changes interest rates, the whole world shakes. That's the real power of the US dollar. Right now, America is holding the highest interest rates in nearly 20 years. And that's pulling global money back to the US, where it's both safe and profitable. The result? The dollar is strong. But here's the twist. Gold is rising too. Two assets that usually move opposite are now going up together. Why? Because investors are scared. When fear kicks in, money runs to real assets. Gold, land, even AI data centers. Meanwhile, emerging markets are struggling under USD-denominated debt. US real estate has slowed down, but smart money is quietly flowing into industrial and data properties, assets with real value. Speculative money, though, is being drained from emerging markets. To me, this is the game of big money. Money never disappears. It just moves to safer places. And whoever understands where it's going, always wins. If you want to learn how global money flows shape your investments, follow Next Wealth Mindset. I'll help you read the true language of money